One film to look forward to this Friday is Ded Ishqiyan. The film, as we know, is a sequel of the critically acclaimed Ishqiyan that was released in 2010. However, Ded Ishqiyan seems to be far more powerful, more power-packed when it comes to the star cast. Naseeruddin Shah and Arshad Varsi are on a roll, and the movie also has Madhuri Dixit and Huma Qureshi. Headlines today caught up with the men of Ded Ishqiyan and got them to talk about the film and whether there is a third installment of Ishqiyan.
How notorious does this journey get from the last one?
Oh, a lot more notorious, a lot more fun, a lot more excitement. And this film is more than anything, it's also about their relationship. So, I mean, we're going to see them in new shades this time.
So, Nasir Sahab, there's Huma Qureshi and Madhuri Dixit in Ded Ishqiyan. How was it on the sets with them?
I was overjoyed when Madhuri came on board. I had said yes to the film even without hearing the script, even before the script was written. In fact, I was one of those who kept insisting to Abhishek that he should make a sequel. But because it had been such fun doing the first one, I mean, even waking up at 4 in the morning to go and shoot a sunrise shot in the freezing cold was fun, in a way. But I had such a joyous time working with Abhishek and with Arshad that I just wanted a reprise of that. And so we went at Abhishek, hammer and tongs, and luckily he came up with this wonderful script.
Oh, and Arshad, how was it for you?
It was bigger, it was more crazier, there was more fun, there was a hell lot of comfort level. We had two gorgeous ladies with us. So yes, there was nice eye candy happening on the set as well.
Wow.
Yeah. So yes, we had a good time. And as Nasir said, I also felt, that when we finished the part, I wouldn't say part, Ishqiyan, when I watched it, somewhere in my heart, I said, I wish I could see a little more of Halu and Babban. That little feeling was there, and and I forgot about it. I thought about it, and I forgot about it. And I was so happy that Abhishek finally said, yes, let's go for the part 2, or make another episode in their life. So I said, oh, great, some more fight, and which is there in this. There's more craziness. We are more bizarre in this film. We are more out of control. So yes, all that excitement and fun is double in this.
What will the third part of Ishqiyan be called? Ded Ishqiyan. Let's do a number game here. What will it be? Paune do Ishqiyan?
नहीं कुछ तो भी अजीब ही होगा.
Ishqiyan 3 बोलते हैं.
Nahi, that doesn't sound very we have to think something out of the box here.
What could be?
Ishq kyun kiya is what I suggested.
Ishq kyun kiya? Oh yes, not bad. How about you? I mean, have you already started thinking on those lines? A third film?
No, right now
We call it Trishqiyan.
Oh, there you got it. Good one. Good job, Arshad. See? But have you started working on a script?
No, not quite. I'm focused on the release.
He has a life.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm focused on the vacation that comes after the release.
But you'll miss them, right? You'll miss the grind.
Of course, but they don't live that far away.
Yeah.
The moment I miss them, I pick up the phone and go have a drink together.